Hi friends, good day. This is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a database and table in Microsoft Access. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and please support my channel by subscribing. So thank you so much. So let's get started. So here, to create a database in Microsoft Access, select blank database here. Okay, so let's say for example, we will make here user. The file name of our database is user underscore profile. Click create. Now once we have created our database, the next step that we'll do is to create the table where we save the records in our database. So select create table in design view. So here we can have an ID, select auto number, and then we set it as a primary key. Let's say name, text, address. Okay, so let's say for example we have three fields: the ID, which we design as primary key, name, and address. After that we save, Control S, and then we will name our table TBL users. This will be the name of our table. Click OK and then close. Now here we can double click the table TBL underscore users to put some records. Okay, example John, address example USA, Anna, Italy, and Maria. Let's say we have here Spain. Control S or automatic save. When we close and then when we open, we have already the three records of John, Anna, and Maria in their respective address. So when we click the design view, we can see the properties of our table TBL users, ID, name, and address. The ID has an auto number that we assign as primary key. The name has text, address as text. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to create a database and table using Microsoft Access. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Before we end, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and then if you are new with my channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next video. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.